Have you ever wondered why your knuckles crack when you pop them? It's not just a weird habit, there's science behind it. When you crack your knuckles, you're releasing gas bubbles in the fluid that surrounds your joints, known as synovial fluid. This fluid contains gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. When you apply pressure, these gas bubbles burst, creating that familiar cracking sound. But don't worry, it's generally harmless, although repeated cracking can lead to joint instability and inflammation. So go ahead, crack away, but maybe not too much.